Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even make decisions better than humans. A world where robots drive our cars, write our stories, diagnose diseases, and even create art. This may sound like science fiction, but the truth is, this future is already beginning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming the world around us. But the big question is, will AI replace humans, or will it become humanity's greatest tool? Artificial intelligence is not a new concept. Scientists have been researching intelligent machines since the 1950s. But in the last decade, AI has grown faster than ever before. Today, AI systems can recognize faces, translate languages, drive vehicles, and even write complex articles. Companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into AI research. From smartphones to smart homes, AI is quietly becoming part of our daily lives. You might think AI only exists in laboratories, but the truth is, you already use AI every day. Voice assistants help answer questions. Recommendation systems suggest movies and videos. Navigation apps find the fastest routes. Even hospitals now use AI to detect diseases earlier than human doctors in some cases. AI is not just a futuristic idea anymore. It is already shaping the modern world. One of the biggest concerns people have about AI is job loss. Experts believe that many traditional jobs could be automated in the future. Tasks that involve repetitive work, data processing, and routine analysis can now be done faster and cheaper by machines. Factories already use robots. Self-driving trucks may replace drivers. Even customer service jobs are slowly being replaced by AI chat systems. But history shows that new technologies also create new types of jobs. While AI may replace certain jobs, it will also create entirely new industries. Careers in AI development, robotics engineering, cybersecurity, and data science are growing rapidly. In the future, humans may work alongside intelligent machines instead of competing with them. The challenge for society will be adapting education and skills to prepare people for this new technological era. Despite its incredible potential, AI also raises serious concerns. What happens if machines become too powerful? Could AI systems make decisions that harm humans? What if autonomous weapons are controlled by artificial intelligence? Some scientists warn that advanced AI could one day become uncontrollable if not properly regulated. This is why many experts are calling for strict rules and ethical guidelines for AI development. Instead of replacing humans, many researchers believe AI will enhance human abilities. Doctors may use AI to diagnose diseases more accurately. Scientists could use AI to discover new medicines faster. Engineers might design smarter cities powered by intelligent systems. AI could help solve some of the biggest challenges humanity faces, including climate change, disease, and global poverty. The future may not be humans versus machines, but humans working with machines. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies humanity has ever created. It has the potential to transform industries, reshape economies, and change the way we live. But the future of AI depends on how we choose to use it. Will AI replace humans? Or will it become the tool that helps humanity reach its greatest potential? One thing is certain, the age of artificial intelligence has only just begun. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.